Good evening, guys. VXs are here once again with a new update for what New York ended up doing. New York haven't closed yet, but I have I have 30 minutes that I decided 30 minutes ago that I wasn't gonna take anything because the price New York doesn't have enough time to create an opportunity for me, because remember, we take whatever the price allows to, and right now the price doesn't have the time to give me my entry. Okay, so yesterday I said that I wanted to take buys from here. If the price from here decided to go back down, I wanted to take sells from down here. We would be located in low prices, and when we are low, I like to take buys. So that was a buy opportunity right there. But and I also said that we were gonna see possible sales from here. At the end, the price just ignored the range. The price just went up like crazy. London just went up. So that range right here the price never react to it. So there was any trades to take from there at all. The price just went, the price ignored it completely. So it's fine. I also said that I that if the price decided to, if the price wanted it to go even higher, like more high, I said that we may be able to see opportunities from here or from here. And that's exactly what the price did. The price kept going up and mitigated this 4-hour doji right here, and it created my sell order. So there was an entry during London, there was an entry around here. There was an entry right there, and the price went straight to TP. That's a sell that I would have taken during London, and that one worked perfectly. Why that entry was perfect, because we were in high prices, and the price was mitigating this 4-hour doji, and the price also slowed down. It slowed down right here. It was showing that it didn't want it to keep going up. So that was an entry right there for sales in London. That was a perfect entry, guys, and that one worked out perfectly. Okay, when I woke up, that's what I saw. I actually woke up during London. Accidentally, I didn't want it to, and I saw where the price was located, and I was thinking about getting involved in the entry, but I decided to just ignore it. Even though it was perfect, I decided to ignore it because I don't trade London. So I just ignored it, and I went straight to my bed once again. And when I woke up once again during New York, I saw the whole move, and I was like, damn, bro. But it's fine. It's fine. That was an opportunity for my friend, actually. But yeah, okay. But what I was looking for during New York, I wanted the price to go back up to mitigate this sell order once again. I wanted the price mitigating that sell order to maybe create another sell order. If the price had done that, most likely I was gonna get involved in sales once again. Plus, the price once again is in higher prices and is mitigating the 4-hour doji again. And the price already showed me the direction that it wants to follow. So there was any excuses. So that was an entry that I was looking for today for sales. Okay, I also was looking for buys. I wanted the price to keep going down like it's doing it now to mitigate this range, and that range may show a buy opportunity from here, but I wouldn't get involved from there. I would have waited for the price to keep going down to manipulate these lows right there, and wait for it to mitigate this bullish range right there. Okay, so in general, I wanted the price to keep going down to manipulate those lows and mitigate this range right here to then create my buy order, and then I will have take buys from there to the upside, following the bullish intention that the price has been showing. And in what I always say, I like to buy when the price is low and sell when the price is high. If the price does this and it goes under the 50% of this whole bearish leg, okay, if the price goes under this line right there, that one, we were gonna be once again in low price. So taking bias was 100% valid, and the range was there. The initiation, once again, what I always look for: range, initiation, mitigation, continuation. So the pattern was there. So everything was in play right there. At the end, the price just you know, it's going down, but it's taking its time. The price never went back up, or it didn't just go down. You know, I wanted to see the price going to the upside real quick for me to get in sales, or to the downside real quick for me to take buys from here. At the end, the price never did anything for me. But during London, Jesus Christ, that was an excellent setup, guys. That was an excellent setup. That the entry would have been specifically from here. That was the entry right there. And just look how it went straight to my TP. And actually, also, that's one of the trades that are 100%, like, it was excellent, and the location was excellent too. And that's a trade that is worth to hold, but I don't hold trades. I would love to have an account in the future to hold my trades, but I wouldn't hold it. But that's one of the trades that is worth to hold, to target this low right there. That would have been a TP18 if I had decided to hold that opportunity, which I wouldn't, but it's 100% valid. But yeah, guys, this is my update on New York. The London is still doing everything I've been explaining for the last weeks. London is doing everything, guys. Jesus Christ, like 80% of the moves for the past 1 or 2 weeks has been happening during London. My friend the whole month he has been eating, damn. But it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. We have to take whatever New York section brings us. Hopefully soon the market is gonna switch and it's gonna start giving more opportunities to New York. Hopefully. But you guys, this is it. Thank you for being here, and I hope my pre-analysis from last night help you somehow for your entry if you trade London or New York. Maybe you find something else. I don't know. Take care, guys.